Is silver actually a good investment? Now, silver isn't just collectible, it's real money. This stuff can't be printed out of thin air. There is a limited supply of silver on the earth. This stuff can be printed out of thin air. This is the money that is in your wallet or in your bank. And this stuff is essentially numbers on a screen. And every single day, more and more money is added to the system. Now, this cannot be printed out of thin air. This has to be mined from the earth, and every single day the opposite is happening to this. This is actually getting used up, so the actual supply overall is slowly decreasing. Now we're going to talk on two very important industrial uses of silver, and that is electric vehicles and solar panels. Now you only have to look around you and you'll see how many cars on the road are now electric, and every single electric vehicle uses quite a large amount of silver. Now, silver is the most conductive metal there is, and that is why it is heavily used in many industries. Now, the next thing on the list was solar panels. Now, there's lots of solar panels going up. Look outside your door, you can probably see someone that has solar panels on their roof. More and more businesses are starting to use solar power to power their whole operations. And again, every single solar panel that is made uses quite a large amount of silver. So every single day, the supply overall of silver is gradually getting used up and going down, and the supply of fiat, the money in your wallet, is increasing because every single day, more and more of this stuff is getting printed and added to circulation. Now, don't get me wrong, there is a catch. Silver is very volatile. It can spike fast, and it can also drop just as fast. So this isn't a get-rich-quick play. Silver is a long-term wealth preservation. You have to look at silver as a long-term hold. If you're looking to buy silver and get rich overnight or in a couple of months, then this is not an investment that you should be looking into. This is something you need to be looking to hold for a minimum of 10 years, maybe even 15 or 20 years. So to summarize today's video, I think that silver is a great investment. If you understand silver, it's a very good investment in my opinion. But if you don't understand silver, you're probably going to end up panic selling when we get the first market drop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below.